So I'm here with my mom today, and she fractured her shoulder about 2 years ago. And what we want to do is stretch it out so she gains some of that motion back. Can you lift both arms up for me just so we could see the difference? So if anyone can guess which side it's on, give it a go. I'll tell you it's on this side. Okay, then you can bring your arms back down. And then what I'd like to do is do some exercises to help improve the mobility. Bring this arm straight up, and then with your right hand, grab right here and then push up further. And once you feel a stretch there, you want to hold that for about 30 seconds. So as she's holding, she's really stretching out the shoulder flexion, and that's going to allow for more motion to come back. So as she's grabbing for items, it'll be easier to do that. And well, let's bring your arm back down. I know it hasn't been a full 30 seconds, but of course this is for demonstration. Anyone out there, you want to make sure to hold it for a full 30 seconds and do it 3 to 4 times. We want to stretch in all different directions. So now that we've done that, we'll bring our arm out to the side and bring as if you were thumbs up. And then we're going to bring your arm up, and it probably stops about there, and come back down. So in order to get a better stretch, we're going to take the strap, and here you go, you can grab the strap, and then with this hand, you'll hold it, and then you'll bring up like this. See, with the strap, she's able to get better pull on the shoulder and stretch it even more. And then of course she would go, overhead would give a different type of stretch, and she would hold for about 30 seconds with that. We're gonna put your arm back like this.
Okay.
And then I'll help bring this around, and you can grab it. And then with this hand, you're gonna then pull up. So she's stretching out her internal rotators in this case. We have the rotator cuff muscles, which we want to stretch out. They're in the front, the side, and the back. And right now we're stretching out these. Okay, and you could bring that back down. And again, 30-second hold 3 to 4 times. Now we want to stretch the pecs out a little more, and subscapularis is another muscle we want to stretch. So we can come over here, put your arm against the wood, and then just rotate your hips towards me, hips to the right.
To the right. Oh,
yeah, like that. Yep.
Okay.
Now, of course, not everyone has this in their yard, but you do have a doorway, and you can put your arm against the doorway and stretch into it as well. So again, 30-second hold 3 to 4 times. Put one hand here, bend down, and then come around like this. So you can give that a shot.
I remember these from some of the PT that I took.
And if you want to move your hips along with it to get more of a circular motion, that's good too. These are called the pendulums. It opens up the joint capsule and allows for the fluids, interstitial fluids, to lubricate the joint and allow it to heal and become more mobile. And then you can go the opposite direction. All right, and yeah, that's good. And we want to do about 30 of those in each direction. In order to get our posture better, we're going to have you bring your arms up as if you're raising your arms. Yep. And then you can grab these, and then bring your squeeze your shoulder blades together.
Oh wait, let me grab this, squeeze, okay.
And bring this over your head and back as you squeeze your shoulder blade, and that stretches out.
I feel that for sure. Yeah.
And then try to bring your chest up and out at the same time, and you'll really feel that stretch.
Ooh, yeah. That's a good one.
And the last exercise to improve shoulder motion is the back bends in sitting. The mid-back is tight. Those tighten up all the muscles in the mid-back that connect to the shoulder. So we want to loosen up or mobilize the mid-back. Bring your hands behind your head. And then you're going to lean back into the chair. And I'll stabilize it because this is a little flimsy chair. You want to make sure you have a strong chair. And right in here, you're going to feel a stretch. And then you can come forward to neutral and back again. And you should just be stretching out this mid-back and forward to neutral. And you can do like 3 more of these. And like I mentioned before, by loosening up the mid-back, the muscles that connect to the mid-back to the shoulder will also loosen up. It'll get you in a better posture, and it'll allow your arms to move more freely when you're in that good posture.
I'm anxious to follow your guidance here because I do want to improve my mobility. So thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Make sure you do it every day because consistency is key. And even if it's a few minutes a day, that's better than doing it not at all.